How to report a problem on eBay. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing some kind of problem or technical issue on your eBay application and if you want to report it, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just open up your eBay application and make sure you are currently logged into your account, and just head over to your My eBay section from the bottom of your navigation bar and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is settings. So under account section. So once you click on settings, simply head over to the option that is seek to report. If you have enabled this, you can basically shake your device right on the spot where you faced the technical problem. So let's say I was facing any sort of error on my home screen, and I will simply shake my device just like this to get to this option or page where it says report a technical problem, or you can also actually use this feature to send a feedback about the application itself to them. So for now, I'll simply tap on this report a technical problem just like this, and you just have to wait for a few seconds. And from over here, you can basically describe your issue with as much details as you can, and they will investigate. And you can also even choose what the issue was related to, if it's what related to selling, shopping, or payment, or account, or any other features or options available on the application. And once you do all of that, you can simply scroll all the way down and click on send to actually send or report a problem on your eBay application. So once they review, they will get back to you soon about the problem. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.